Hi, guess who's showing face today? I know it's been forever, but I'm back today with a new video. My very first video on YouTube was raw potato greens, and I'm bringing a different version of that today. It's going to be fried potato greens. So let's get right to the video. So that's me showing you guys right away the long inedible part of the greens that I cut the smaller edible stems off. So I just wash my greens, sometimes 2 or 3 times depending on how dirty they are. The greens used to be really dirty back in the day, but nowadays the farmers are pretty good with washing them. So with this one I just went with 2 times, and I make enough to be able to fold into a hand. That's how much I can hold into my hand. So then I cut off just the tip of the greens, and we're gonna begin with slicing. So you slice the greens as little or a little bit bigger as you can, whatever you can do. Most people use the veggie bullet that's been popular for some time now, but it's pretty much sold out everywhere, or if you find it online it's like ridiculously expensive. So but like I usually tell you guys in my videos, this is the way the ancestors did it back in the day. Since they didn't have all of these equipments that we have nowadays, that's how they would do it. And if you went to the interior side of Liberia right now, you see them do it this way. So that's why I like to show you guys this way in my videos, because it shows a little bit of culture as well. I'll slice them all right now, and then we can go on to the video. I mentioned later on in the video I wanted to make this video so detailed that I wanted to show you guys, you know, me taking the grains off the stem, and like the larger stem, the longer inedible stem, like I said, and all that stuff, but my camera was not recording. So but you guys get the idea. So let's get to the overall recipe. So we're gonna start with seasoning the meat that I'll be putting in the potato greens. I have 7 pieces of chicken here, about 10 pieces of beef cubes, and just a couple of jumbo shrimp, 6 Scotch Bonnet Peppers, 1 medium onion, and 3 garlic cloves. So let's season the meat. That's 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garden seasoning blend, and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning blend. That's what we're doing with the shrimp first. With the chicken, garlic salt, that was 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, That's it. We'll set that to the side. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of seasoned salt for the beef. And then half teaspoon of the garden blend. We will start frying the meat now. I'm just gonna fry the beef until it's brown on both sides. The beef is already starting to brown, so I guess it's about a minute on each side, as you can see. So I just turn them over. I'll let them go another minute and then we'll do the chicken. Okay, next is the chicken. I will increase the heat to medium high for the chicken since we want it to be golden brown. Okay, the chicken has been on one side for about 3 minutes. We are going to flip it to the next side. Okay, the chicken is golden brown. Gonna take it out. Alright, you can take it out now. Now I'll add the sliced potato greens. Just to be sure I'm giving you the perfect measurement, I will be measuring the potato greens in a cup. So that's 4 cups. Never mind the color. After I sliced the greens, I ended up keeping it in the fridge for some time, so that's why it looks like that. Another 4 cups and just a teeny tiny bit. I recorded the greens when I was slicing it, but for whatever reason I felt like I didn't hit record on the camera, so I will see what happens when I'm editing. If I did not hit record, it pretty much was a bundle of greens from the farmer's market, and I just sliced to make up to 10 cups. I decided to measure just in case somebody is buying the frozen greens. I have been seeing frozen greens in the stores, so just in case you're buying that, this is the measurement. So I have the heat on medium, and I'm just going to add the blended onion, garlic, and peppers and have them all sauteed together. So I'll let it saute for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now we'll add everything together. If you've been following me long enough, you probably know by now most of our cooking is one pot method. So I add the seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 5 of the small Maggi. This is the beef flavor. Just like that. I add in the beef early to cook with the soup, 3 cups of water, cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes, and as you can see, the liquid is drying. It's almost done, but before it's fully done, I'll add the chicken and the shrimp. I'll let it cook on medium heat for just 5 more minutes, and this should be ready to go. Just one last thing before I let you guys go, as a gift from me to you guys. Since I did more of a freestyle video for you guys today, I will be adding the recipe down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. Please, please, please don't just screenshot it and not watch the whole video, because when you guys engage more with my videos, I'm able to get just a little more extra coin, and it is an encouragement as well for me to keep bringing you guys good content. Otherwise I have to work and pay bills. So you guys, please, please, please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, engage more to encourage me to keep coming here. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.